Today we are going to talk about the term electronegativity. Electronegativity is the ability of an atom to attract shared pair of electron or electron density towards itself. So let's try to resolve it into some simple terms. Let's see it by this rope pulling example. Whoever is strong pulls the rope towards himself, whichever the group, or if two persons are playing the rope pulling game. Same is the case with atoms. If two atoms are attached with via sigma bond or pi bond, in that case, the electrons will never be exactly in between two atoms. One atom will pull electron towards itself, and that atom will have higher electronegativity. So in that case, fluorine have highest electronegativity. Its value is around 4. Then lithium is the lowest electronegativity in this period. Increase from lithium by 0.5. Lithium to beryllium 1. When we go from lithium to beryllium, increase the value of electronegativity from 0.5 so that it becomes 1.5. For boron it's 2, for carbon it's 2.5, for nitrogen it's 3, for oxygen it's 3.5. Then for sodium it's 0.9, increase by 0.3, magnesium will be 1.2, aluminium will be 1.5, silicon will be 1.8, phosphorus will be 2.1, sulfur will be 2.5, chlorine will be 3. It's exactly 1 less than the fluorine. The electronegativity of sulfur will be exactly 1 less than the oxygen. So I think you can remember these values. It's quite easy to remember these values because of the pattern. But you have to remember the value of electronegativity for hydrogen. It's equal to 2.1. So let's end it.